Hi guys, happy Thursday, and I am roasting tomatoes. So this is going to be a really quick video because I'm not canning them today. I'm going to slow cook them overnight in my Instant Pot. So this is what I have going on. These are Roma tomatoes that I bought a half bushel at the farmer's market. Okay, so I'm soaking them in ice cold water, I'm washing them off, and then what I do here, I'll show you if I can do this one-handed here. Might have to put you down. All right, and then I'm bringing it over here to my cutting board. Okay, and I am just cutting off the top core part. Okay, that's going to go in my compost. Then I'm taking my Roma, these are Roma tomatoes, I'm taking my Roma and I'm just slicing it right in half. Okay, and then I'm taking it to my cookie tray where I am going to load them up. All right, got 2 trays going in my oven. My oven is set at 375 degrees. For 1 hour, I go ahead and switch the trays around, put the top on the bottom on the top, and then I bake them another hour. It's 2 hours total. Here are the skins. I'm gonna bring you back when these are done and I'll show you how I do them. But here are the skins. I'm gonna dehydrate these. And then here are the roasted tomatoes, which are going to go in my Instant Pot overnight on low. And I'm going to hit this with an immersion blender, and then we're just going to kind of cook these down. Hold on, hello. Anyway, so I just want to show you because many people didn't know how to do this. I posted pictures this morning of me doing this. So I figured I would just make a little video and show you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and keep washing, cutting, layering up on my trays, and then I'm going to put them in the oven, and then I will bring you back and I'll show you. Just to show you the next batch of roasted tomatoes. Okay, so I'm going to put you on a pot because I'm fancy here at the Kneady Homesteader. All right, we're going to set you up on a pot and you can see how I do this. Okay, so I'm going to kind of arrange it a little bit funny just to kind of show you. Okay, hold on, I'm gonna push that back a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is scoop up a tomato with a spatula. You can see it's piping hot. You can see the steam coming off of there, hopefully. All right, so all you have to do is pinch the skin. Okay, let me do it this hand. Okay, pinch the skin, peel it right off. The skin will come right off, and then what I do with the skin is I just lay it down on the tray and plop in the tomato. So let's do another one. Okay, so there's a tomato. All right, pinch the skin. Okay, and it'll peel right off. Now it's super hot. You can let these cool a little bit. I'm kind of, I'm always fighting for time, you guys. There's seriously not enough hours in a day, and I only sleep like 4 or 5 hours a night to try to get in everything that I always need to get done during the day. So I'm gonna peel off the rest of this and put it right on my tray, and then plop that tomato right in. So I'm gonna sit here and do these tomatoes, get them in my pot, and then tomorrow when I can them up, I'll bring you guys back and show you that process. Look at that. That's how you want it to come off. One piece, just like that. Some of them have thicker skins than others. The thicker skinned ones come off a lot easier than the thinner ones. So there you have it. So I know many of you have tomatoes coming, and many of you are doing tomatoes this weekend, right? So I thought I would show you how I'm doing my tomatoes this year. Last year I just put them in the big turkey roaster. And like I said, I'll come back tomorrow when I can these up so you guys can see that. And hopefully I can get this whole process out to you before the weekend, before many of you do your tomatoes. But look at that. All right, so hold on, let me rinse my hand. And I'll just tip you into my pot here. So I will hit all of this with an immersion blender and make this not so chunky, but I'm telling you, roasted tomatoes up on my shelf is going to make the best homemade pizza, especially with sourdough crust. Okay, there's the tomatoes. So almost a full 8 quarts, I would say probably 6 if I had to guess. And then over here I have the skins. And so I'm gonna turn those on and I will see you guys back here tomorrow. All right, successful day. So I hope this was helpful, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow when we can the sauce up. All right, bye guys.